Textured geomembranes are perfect for building roofs and landscaping. They prevent seepage in farmland canals and support soil conservation. Our machinery includes an active roll loading device for various thicknesses. The crawler traction device ensures smooth handling of geomembranes. Our stable spray platform guarantees consistent quality across production. The innovative spray mechanism accommodates different widths with margins. The production line features intelligent control, maximizing automation. Trust our equipment for high-performance textured geomembranes. Contact us for more detailed information.